The next general election could be held by July. Veteran MP for Southwest St. Catherine Everald Warmington made the calculation at a JLP conference in Portland recently.
Plans going to election, election has to be within the next 6 months, is that April we'll meet in East Central St. Catherine for your accounts that Terlang. In May, we meet in Central St. Catherine, Honorable Babs Grange. In June, we meet in South Central St. Catherine, Dr. Wheatley's constituency. Election is in time after. Our last meeting is in July. So, your accounts will close this period with a grand gospel concert in Old Harbour. That will give us the impetus for the third term.
The 2025 general elections are constitutionally due by September. According to Mr. Warmington, the July gospel concert in Old Harbour will usher in the JLP's third consecutive term in government.
As we always go to Old Harbour and give hope, prosperity, and the divine working. So I don't know when the PM going to call it, but be sure say the list come in May, so we can meet certainly in June. But I don't know when they're going to call it. But I'm calling you all back to Old Harbour for a massive gospel concert that we've ever seen before nomination and election.